Hey guys, today I'll show you some best photo editing apps that will make your photos much better. So, first app in the list is Snapseed by Google. This is the app which I open almost every day, even to edit small things in a picture like cropping. You also have professional editing tools like curves and HDR. I recommend this app to you. The second app on the list is TouchRetouch. This is the app you always wanted. You can remove anything from the picture by just highlighting it. There is also a line removal feature which automatically finds line and removes it. By far one of the best editing apps in the market for a couple of dollars. The last app in the list is Adobe Photoshop Lightroom, which by signing in, you can directly access files from your computer and edit. There are tons of filters and options available for you to edit. I'll give you all download links in the description. So that's it for this video. Hope to see you guys in the next one.